Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling developer options and turning on USB debugging on the Android device so the laptop can issue commands. Next, install Android platform tools on your laptop and add ADB to your path so commands run from any terminal. Connect the phone with a reliable USB cable and accept the device authorization prompt on the phone. This step gives the laptop control. Once done, run a DB devices to confirm the phone is listed and ready for LED control commands. You now test direct flashlight control. First, confirm the device is authorized and visible with a DB devices. Then, try a DB Shell CMD flashlight on torch on to turn the LED on, and a DB Shell CMD flashlight on torch off to turn it off. This works on many modern Android builds. If that command is unavailable, you can use a DB Shell and start to invoke a flashlight app or call the camera service via shell scripts. Make sure to run commands as the same user that authorized the device. Finish by automating the action. Write a short shell script or alias on your laptop that sends the DB flashlight on /off sequence so you can toggle the LED quickly. If direct CMD calls fail on older devices, install a lightweight flashlight app and trigger its intent with a DB start. This provides a reliable fallback. One key troubleshooting tip. If commands don't work, verify USB debugging authorization. Switch USB mode to file transfer and confirm the Android version supports CMD flashlight.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.